I was just right here and I made a few steps, and here's what I saw. Good morning, guys. As I mentioned in the previous episode, today we're going to visit the Vikos Gorge in Greece and also the Zagore villages, which happen to be interesting Greek villages, very traditional, very nice up in the mountains. This is the room I slept in last night. It's not a bad room, it's pretty much okay. It did cost though, for two persons, 50 euro. So again, it's not very cheap in Greece. It's very nice though. The sun came out and that is great news. If you have seen the pretty much terrible rain that we saw in the previous episode. So let's go get some breakfast and some coffee and tea, which I always have to do in the morning. And we're gonna go on our way and see what we can explore today together. So we are at the lake again. Obviously yesterday we were not in the mood to take the boat trip to the island here, but today we're going to actually do this. So I believe it's going to be a pretty nice thing to venture through those water over to this small island.
Am I still the one you see when you close your eyes? Am I still the one you need when it's late at night? Am I still the one you want when you want somebody? When you want somebody? And I swear I won't expect too much. Won't go and drag us through the mud.
Like some?
Sweet.
Yes, sunflower seed with honey, not so sweet, very good.
I will taste, but I don't know.
Just to see the quality here.
I see they didn't try it.
Yes. Hello. Hello. Would you like to offer you a baklava? To taste. Traditional. Have a taste. It's very good.
Actually, you should.
The traditional
it's
one,
nice.
chocolate with coconut.
Time to use my not very good English to say that I'm trying to figure out in which monastery we were. What will you say, Emma, with your better English?
I can't remember the name.
So anyway, I think it was the Philanthropion monastery. Although on that sign there were like 5 or 6 monasteries, and the name of the monastery itself is written in Greek on the map, but it must have been that one. We're going to get the next ship at 2 p.m. because there is a lot more to be seen today, and the day is going past pretty quickly. Again, those strange boxes looking like safes out in the open area. I don't know what they are for, but let's go and catch the boat on time. So a few things to show. First thing is the German flag. On our way to the island, they actually thought we were from the German group, so we didn't pay. Second thing, this is rum. It goes very nice with being on a boat in a lake. And third thing, terrible rain seems to be coming from behind, which is also very beautiful. So I'm interested how we are going to drive in this rain. We're just arriving at the Zagore villages. region here in Greece. It's a mountainous area. I have not seen anything like this before in Greece. It's like my vision of it was that it's more plain with obviously the nice seaside and the many islands, and now I'm coming to see that there are also pretty high mountains. I mean, I knew it, but before you see it you don't really get the impression of it. Hello. So the first things that we're going to see today are a few bridges made of stone, I think, all of them. They are obviously old and very beautiful. And here is located the first one of them, as you can see, kind of, Ioannina Bridge. Wow, water! It seems like they're bringing us water everywhere for free, I think. It seems to be a traditional Greek thing. I may learn to drink water finally. Let's see the first impressions of the soup. Mmm. Mmm. Okay, so Emo says this is a village named Kipoi. And I say it's super tasty here. It's maybe it's the most tasty food I've had in Greece by far. And the music it's local music. This is also a very nice touch.
We should just stop.
Local silence.
Yeah, local silence right now. Let's see. I cannot see it very well from here, but I think that you can make it. It's written on a
Piece of paper?
Yeah, like a piece from a notepad. So we just arrived here at the Vikos Gorge. At the last few kilometers we've been driving on this dirt road behind me. I hope you can see it. And now we actually headed over there at the top, from where we're supposed to get a much nicer view. I've got my drone and my backpack, so let's go and see what we can see from there. Hopefully we can get there before sunset. I think this means 10 minutes, probably because we saw another one just now and it was saying 15. There are those signs all along the path showing the direction to the top. Because even if it really doesn't seem like anything special, I know gorges are that way usually. Alright guys, I'm gonna give this to you. Look, I was just right here and I made a few steps and here is what I saw.